When you are researching the best weight loss tips and features, be sure to look for one that helps you keep the excess weight from returning once you have reached your desired goal. Choosing the best weight loss tips may require some research. Not only how effective the plan is in helping you to reach your weight goals, but whether or not the plan is one which helps you to maintain your desired weight once you go off the diet. The best plans for weight control are those which re-educate your way of looking at food, and how you make healthy choices. A plan that includes factors such as education, exercise, and balanced nutritional choices will provide for better health, as well as ideal weight levels. In other words, you can lose weight and still not be making healthy choices. Implement a new and healthy lifestyle. For weight loss tips that work over the long term, the new regimen and the changes in your eating habits will result in a change to your whole outlook on life. You are more likely to keep the weight off, because you are making wiser and better choices about what you eat, and about the exercise and other physical activities that you enjoy. When you don't return to the old eating habits, activity levels, and other lifestyle bad choices, you'll be able to maintain the ideal weight levels more easily and stop being fat again. They will become the norm, even without thinking about the choices you are making. Psychological reasons. The best weight loss tips are those which are seen to be successful. The eater who sees the numbers on the scale dropping is more likely to continue doing whatever created that result. The psychological aspect of dieting can be just as significant as a factor as the physical basis of the weight loss plan. The goal of healthy eating and lifestyle choices over the long term should be the result of any weight loss plan that is selected and implemented by the eater. So, use supplements as a way to get started, but your long-term goal should be to make healthy choices all the time. Ban yo-yo dieting. Yo-yo dieting is not only counterproductive, but it can also actually be harmful to your health, both physical health and emotional health. When you lose the weight and then gain it back, plus a little more repeatedly, you are teaching your body to fail and your brain to accept failure. Instead, take advantage of the best weight loss tips, so that you prepare a lifelong weight control plan that will be healthy and successful. Make this lifestyle change the permanent one through sensible choices and positive tactics. Some best weight loss programs are available in the descriptions below. These are just a few of the ones that are available to help those who want to have a leaner and more healthy lifestyle. Briefly, get a plan and stick to it. Make sensible eating choices. Increase your level of activity. Expect success. Forgive yourself if you miss a day and don't quit. All these things will help you to take the weight off and keep it off for a lifetime. When the new way of living and eating becomes the norm, then you'll never again need to go on a diet. Once again, check out the links in the descriptions below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day.